I'm Linz, and I'm gonna show you probably the most niche action figure display that I've ever made for sure. And it's this right here. It is my Metaluna Mutant alien ship diorama. So this is a NECA Ultimate action figure based on the Metaluna Mutant from This Island Earth, which is a movie that I believe came out in the 1950s. It had a very interesting setting and an incredibly unique art style. It's one of those older sci-fi movies, but as an action figure collector, I really appreciated the sculpt of this particular NECA Ultimate. So I watched the movie to try to see maybe I can kind of design a little display for this action figure. I think that might be cool. And towards the end of this movie, there's this scene where the mutant falls and hits his head and starts bleeding, and the action figure comes with that head sculpt. So I figured that would be a perfect moment to capture for the diorama. So it features a large silver circular base that has sort of this piloting chair control surface thing. I actually really like this piece because I printed the center with a translucent PLA, and it really sells the look of like this sort of crystallized glass, and I really like how it turned out. Then there's this sort of like atom device. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's this interesting atomic structure where you see what looks like kind of electrons floating around the center of the atom where you have the protons and the neutrons. And it's all 3D printable. You would use the 3D printing filament itself actually to weave it through those electron beads that I designed. And it's actually pretty simple to put together with a little bit of super glue. And other than that, there's not much else to say about it. It's very specific, and I really appreciate how it's just a singular centerpiece for this one action figure. So I don't expect a ton of people to be extremely excited, like they were waiting for this to drop or anything like that. But the files, as well as physical kits, are available on my website, linzlabs.net. And as always, if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for taking your time and checking out my diorama and supporting my work. Please like, share, subscribe, you know the drill, and I'll see you next time with a new display.